My name is Koenie Slabbert. I'm the Provincial Manager for Seda Limpopo. As the month of May, we are celebrating, and in celebration of the month of May, we are promoting entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, especially around manufacturing. You all know that manufacturing play an important role in our country and in our economy. The word or the processes that we are looking at now is that localization has become very, very important for our government and also for the Department of Small Business Development in ensuring that we create the 9 million jobs that the NDP has tasked us to look at. And in creating that, we are saying that a number of big businesses are cutting down on jobs, they are automating, making people redundant and retrenching and so on. So we are giving people an opportunity, those people that have worked in the big companies, that have acquired experience over the years, we are offering them an opportunity to come and join Seda and start their own businesses in manufacturing. And when you start manufacturing businesses, we are able to assist them, to help them to grow and also to develop them in setting up those businesses. We in Limpopo are endowed by 2 SEZs that are there in the province. You know, the Musina Mercado, which is predominantly focusing on value addition to the mining sector, and also the Tubatse SEZ, which is also focusing on agriculture processes and also manufacturing. And we want to assist in that process as a partner and the ecosystem development facilitators in the province with the Department of Economic Development, LEDET, as well as leader in the province, to ensure that we give you the necessary support and assistance in developing and growing your manufacturing businesses. As Seda, we assist SMMEs in ensuring that they acquire technology. In ensuring that they acquire a technology, I want to specifically refer to 2 entrepreneurs who've already benefited from us, Optitech, who have benefited from the Technology Assist program, where we've managed to assist them in procuring equipment in manufacturing electrical cabinets. These electrical cabinets that they are manufacturing are sought throughout the country, and as a client of ours, we are proud to handhold them and ensure that we grow their businesses even further. Seda in Limpopo assists SMMEs throughout the province. We are not focusing only on SMMEs or entrepreneurs in Limpopo, in Polokwane, but we assist SMMEs right throughout the province. Gimbo, for example, we assisted with Technology Assist, and they are based in Guyana. And we make sure that when we go to them, we do the assessments that will help us to determine what are the shortfalls that they need in their business, and ensuring that they grow their business, and ensuring that growing their business will actually create more job opportunities for them. And as clients of Seda, what we aim to do, we aim to support you in ensuring that you understand the processes of manufacturing, but above that, we want you to know that in the process of manufacturing, we give assistance not only to technology assist, but we also give assistance to quality management, we give assistance to financial management, we give assistance to business management and so forth. So there are a number of opportunities that we ensure we give you assistance on, where you will be able to develop and grow your business in conjunction with us. We always use the phrase that we help you to ride the waves of change with us, and ensuring that your business goes to the next level and you create the necessary jobs so that the economy in the province can grow. And when the economy in the province grows, we know that there's more disposable income. When there's more disposable income, people will be able to get jobs, but above all, they'll be able to spend and ensure that their families are fed. They can then spend more on the economy and giving us that edge that we need in the province.